I'm Sonia from Create Education. I'm here to tell you about our perfect solution for delivering your summer school enrichment programme. This is a complete package of hardware, software, resources and training enabling you to deliver fun, hands-on, practical enrichment activities. This consists of 2 3D printing projects. Each one is designed to be delivered across a week of daily sessions. The sessions are flexible and can last from 1 to 2.5 hours each. The first project is a mobile phone design project. Here, students will learn 3D modelling software, then they will design and 3D print mini mobile phone stands. They will follow this up by designing and making packaging for their stands. The second project is all about chocolates. Students will design and 3D print chocolate templates, then they will use a desktop vacuum former to make chocolate moulds, and they will use these moulds to make delicious, good-looking chocolates. So what do you get from this programme? First of all, you get all of the resources to deliver both of the projects. That includes comprehensive teacher guides for delivering the projects. You will get some full training, 3 one-hour Twilight Zoom sessions. These are recorded so they can be distributed to all of your staff, and if you can't attend the sessions, you will have a complete recording of them. You will also get a 3D printer and a desktop vacuum former. So what are the benefits of this programme? Well, first of all, you get to deliver fun and engaging projects for students while developing their digital skills. The programmes are designed for anyone to deliver, so whether that's supply staff, teachers in your school or volunteers, it's all fully supported. You do not need design technology professionals to deliver this. You get to keep all the resources and the hardware, so you can use them all year round. They're not just for summer school. And finally, the students get to keep their designs. They get to keep their phone stands and their chocolates, and they can reuse the chocolate moulds to make even more.